morning guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna do some life hacks. Lazy life hacks that every girl should know, because sometimes you just need to run out the door and hurry up and you don't have time to sit there for hours and do your makeup or get ready or whatever you're doing. So I'm a lazy person myself all the time. Sometimes I don't even wear makeup because I'm lazy, but I love doing makeup. So, since I'm that kind of lazy person, I thought it's the perfect video to do. So, if I look down, I'm just looking at my notes and stuff I wrote down. So my first one I have is to keep some makeup wipes next to your bed. Sometimes when you're out partying and you come home, no one wants to take off their makeup. You just want to go to bed and not have to worry about that. But you can break out with your makeup, and it's bad to sleep in your makeup with your bed and your eyelashes and all that. So keep some makeup wipes next to your bed. I have some makeup wipes here, and the ones I use is the oil-free cleansing wipe for acne-prone skin. I've been using, this is my first pack I got of this to try out, and I really enjoy this. It doesn't break me out or anything, so if you have acne-prone skin, this is a good one to use. Now my second tip is, after you put on your moisturizer and your primer and stuff, and then you have to sit there and wait for it to dry. Well, if you don't want to sit there and wait for it to dry, you can take a blow dryer, put the setting on cool, and just lightly put it over your face to dry it faster. If you really, that's a small kind of tip, but you can do that. Now my third tip is for your hair. I'm not a big hair kind of person, I'm more into the makeup. But if you have no time to shower and you don't have dry shampoo and your hair is all oily and stuff, I don't have one with me right here. I lost mine somewhere, so I need to go pick them up. But baby powder, just put some baby powder in your roots and just mix it into your hair and stuff, and it will soak up all those oils, and it will last for at least the day of you going out. So if you have no time to shower, that's also a great tip to do. Now the next tip I have, I also don't have, which I should. When you're not sleeping that much during the night and you want to try to look more wide awake with your makeup and stuff, get like a white or nude beige kind of pencil and just put it on your waterline. It will make you look more wide awake, and it won't make you look tired. So I don't know, that's one tip you can use. The next tip I have you can do, if you're out of eyeliner and you don't have time to go to the store or anything, and you have mascara, which I have this one here too, for example. So I don't have a brush to example it, but you can just take any kind of brush. You can just put it on your mascara and use it for your eyeliner. Just until you get to the store and get to go buy some more. If you're out, this is a good tip you can relate to. Another tip I have is, if you've seen my second vlog, you would know this already because it's what I do sometimes, and once I tell you, you're gonna be like, oh, she did that today before she did this video. And yes, I did. So it's another hair thing, and like I said, I'm not really into the hair. I just don't know how to style my hair and stuff. But for hair, if you're really lazy and have to get out the door, of course you're lazy, this whole video have to do with laziness, but and have to get out the door, just put your hair up in a ponytail and just straighten the ponytail. Mine's not that straight right now, but it takes like 5-10 minutes and it gets you out the door like that, and you look like you put yourself together even though you didn't. but it looks like you did, and voila. Now, my next one. Now for my next one. You're probably wondering why I have no makeup on and I have eyeliner just on one eye. Well, because I want to show you this next tip. Now, if you're going out through your day and you have your makeup on, whatever, and you want to transition your makeup from morning to night, this next tip is simple and easy. I'm going to zoom you guys up. Just take like a cotton swab and just smoke out your eyeliner. Just like that. It's as easy as and simple as that. Now for the next one. It's for contour, bronzer, whatever, contour, and for like your primer and stuff. So I have the wrong brush to do this with because I forgot to bring my brush here, so don't use this kind of brush, but I'm using the Real Techniques brush. It's a sculpting brush, so I guess it's kind of the same. But I don't have a cream kind to do this with, but take this and just do like a 3 on your face and down here. And then take your primer and do it the opposite way. And under there. Now I know I look a little silly right now. And you're probably like, what the hell? And then just blend all of that in. I'm gonna blend this one with my brush. And then voila! It's that simple. Now if you like this life hacks video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know your life hacks. And if you want a part 2 to this video, let me know. I can definitely come up with some more, or it can just be a different life hacks. Doesn't have to be for lazy people. But I'm lazy, so I thought this is the great opportunity to do that for. So please hit the red subscribe button down below. It will really help me out a lot. And I hope you will come back to my channel. Thank you. Bye.